welcome to Minte Forte exposition. If you want a drink or a glass or snacks. So, we will not make too much noise right now because I have a workshop on a dream session going on. But if you want, we have exploration of different topics and objects. Like here is Buzzer Beater, board games created by Taylor. It's kind of like rock, paper, scissors with a brain. And this is Home and Being, an experimental research on housing and well-being in Cluj-Napoca by Carmen. And if you want to also hear on the Vancouver and Sensitive Body, another project made by Gabriela, more about movement, dance and connection with your body and emotions. That's a pretty cool project by Beatrice. You have plenty of different parts of Cluj-Napoca and transparent page to make you, for example, realize public transport in it, general service, accessibility, and it's looking nice. Here, if you want, we have that blue box for one of our projects. It's just right now to put your favorite song of the moment, if you have one. Just making that. And next week we have a small flag of memories actually. It's, we made it in our team building. It's supposed to be representing your value, but for now it's more remembering everything you did. And if you want, I have another room with a projection of video. Yeah? Okay, well, follow me. Like that. We have a full scale of it, so you can see how long each video is and the order. And if you follow me, let's not make too much noise just in case, but try that.